Hi guys, welcome to my channel and this is Dimple D'Souza and प्यार से मुझे टीटी बुलाते हैं. So if you come for the first time in my channel, click on the subscription button and click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. So today is a review video. I'm going to review on a product which I have been totally obsessed, and a lot of people have been asking me like what am I doing to my skin and what am I using currently. So today I'm going to talk about all the girls and guys who are suffering from acne and pimple issues. I've been getting a lot of messages like कुछ करो acne के लिए, मेरा acne बढ़ रहा है, कम नहीं हो रहा है, and blah blah blah. A lot of questions like this. My emails have been filled with only that kind of questions, weight loss and pimples. So I thought, okay, why not to go ahead and tell you guys what product to pick up. So today I'm going to talk about a product which is called Zero Pimple Gel from the brand called Roop, and this is how it looks. Well, the best part about this product is it is in a gel form and it's herbal. So herbal products is always very good for your skin, whatever so you use. More than any kind of chemical, this works totally amazing. This product is from Dr. Juneja's. It's Roop and it's an Ayurveda medical gel. It's in a gel form. The costing of it is 136 Indian currency, which is a worth a buy, which has 15 grams net weight in it. There's a lot of other details given out over here, so you can check it out when you buy this. It says avoid near your contact, like your eye contact. So if you're having pimples on your eyelids or near your eyes, please don't apply it. Second thing, it says not for kids below 3 years, so don't apply it to your kids. Keep out of reach of children, keep it in a cool and dark place. It's helpful in removing any kind of pimples on your face, any kind of pimples. Okay, if you're having a pimple or it's about to come, it's very good for that. So you have to apply it only on the affected area. You can apply it on your whole face also, depends upon how you want to apply it. Normally what I do is I apply it only on the affected area. I don't apply it on my whole face. The reason is a little sticky when you apply it on your whole face. So it takes 20-25 minutes for the stickiness to go till it penetrates in your face. So that is the reason whenever I apply it on my affected area, I just apply it over there and I let it go, leave it. It takes a day or two for it to completely wear off and it gets vanished. So that's the best part about this. I don't like a cream based pimple when I use. I don't know. I don't find it very comfortable. So as you open the box, there's a tube which is coming out like this. Okay, it's a very small cute tube and all the content is given over here on the back end. So every content has 100 ml into it. Every content of it has an 100 ml, which is all herbal. There's no chemical mix into it. I think the rest of the details is given out over here. What content, how much it is into it. I can't read that all for y'all. Whenever you go to buy it, you can read it for yourself. And always consult a physician before you go ahead. Maybe you have an allergy with any of the herbal. See, I am not allergic to any of the herbal, but there are a lot of people who are allergic to herbal products also. So see to that you consult your physician and then go ahead and use it. So this is a tube and this is how the gel looks from inside. So you have to apply this gel in any of your affected area, wherever it is, the whole face, whichever you're comfortable, and then you just go on a rotation way to leave it. So this has to penetrate in your skin and leave it for good half an hour, 45 minutes till it dries out. You don't have to do anything else, just let it be. Don't apply any makeup, don't apply anything on your face. Small advice, whenever you are applying makeup, always wash your face and don't apply too much of makeup, because somewhere down the line that is a cause of acne and pimples. Okay, how much ever good products you use or how much ever non-chemical or chemical products you use on your face, the more you screw your face, the more you apply things on your face, in the end your face will just look black. Like there'll be a lot of pimples, there'll be a lot of acne, wrinkles, and this is how your face will look if you apply too much of makeup. So I would just recommend you all not to apply makeup every single day. I've just been doing that since few days and I think I should stop avoiding it, like, you know, applying too much of makeup. It's not at all good for your skin, especially the base, like foundation, concealer, even if it's herbal or non-herbal, chemical or herbal, anything if you use, it's going to screw your face. This penetrates, it's going to dry out like this. It's like mostly dried out. And then you have to leave it. You have to do that twice in a day. to see the results. So I saw the results in a month's time. I always test the products and I get back to you all that you should use it or not. I think it's a must buy Roop pimple gel, which has no pimples into it, like zero pimple gel. So that's the best part about this. So whenever you feel like, I feel like a pimple is going to pop out and I'm feeling light pain in that, just apply this and the pimple would not even pop out. So it's already a fresh pimple which is popped out. Just apply this and leave it. Do that and you will see the difference in 2 or 3 days. I think everything I've said about this product, the costing of it is 136 rupees, which is quite reasonable for the pricing. And it's in a small tube, which is a travel friendly. You can carry it, put it in your pouch, put it in your bag, because it's such a small tube. So wherever you go, whenever you go, you can just apply it and you're good to go. This is amazing, and the smell also is amazing because it has a pure herbal smell. So if you're a person who loves herbal products, love to smell Ayurveda herbal stuff, I think you'll like this product a lot. If you ask me how much I'm going to rate this product, I'm going to rate this like 4.5 out of 5. I think it's an amazing product. I loved the smell and essence of it. It gives a freshness to your face. It gives a freshness to how you look. Just not removes acne and helps to remove pimples. It even helps to give a fresh look to your face. And now finally you can see this is like totally dried up. If you can see. Okay, it's totally dried up. Now why did I give it 4.5 out of 5 for this product is the only minus point. Sorry, I always see a plus point and a minus point in it. So the only minus point is it's little sticky. So that's what I didn't like. It's little sticky as a gel form, but I think after a few hours it just sets and the stickiness goes off. So for the time being, when you apply it on your skin you feel like, you know what, it's a little sticky, I'm not liking it, I'm feeling irritated. So that's what is the minus point about this product. That is why I've rated it 4.5 out of 5. Where to get this product? You can get this anywhere. You can get it online, you can get it in any herbal store. Roop is very famous product, very famous company. So, and it's a well-known brand. You get this anywhere easily. But yeah, you can get this online also. You can try out in any of the online stores. You will get it in a good rate. Did this change my life? Yeah, I did. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, do give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it I have to say. This is Dimple signing off for now. Bye bye guys. Take care. Love you all. Sayonara.